Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and I make RV and travel-related videos with my cat Jax for my adult viewers. Per YouTube's terms of service, viewers under the age of 13 are not permitted to create a YouTube account. If you're under the age of 13, please stop this video and review YouTube's terms of service, so that we all can be protected under the COPPA laws set forth by the FTC. Thank you. Is Jax getting his morning stretches? A little chilly out here, huh? Alright, man. Oh, big cat stretches. Yeah. From Nashville, Tennessee. That's right, it is sunny, it is gorgeous looking, but a high of 37 degrees today. It will eventually get up to a balmy 37 degrees. I did get an RV park site here so that the RV and Jax has a nice, warm, comfortable spot. And I'm gonna take old Roxy out and finally explore real Nashville. I have had 2 failed attempts. I called them failed attempts because we didn't do much when I was here. You can't boondock in Nashville anywhere. So, at least as far as I know. So, putting on my thermals. I've also got thermal bottoms underneath my jeans here. And I'm gonna layer up. I'm gonna get my winter gloves out. And we're gonna go for a fun ride and explore some unique Nashville together. Sound good? All right, come along. Boy, that was a terrifying ride. People are driving crazy out here like they've never seen a motorcycle. One thing's for certain, I am gonna have no problem finding food here in Nashville. My choices are like, there's 5 restaurants on every single block, including pizza. Yeah, let's just walk around. I got the motorcycle parked in a pretty safe spot there, so I can just explore on foot a little bit today. There's caviar and bananas. Anybody? And in case motorcycling isn't that popular in Tennessee, riding your bicycle is, as apparent by this very, very quirky bike rack, which is a giant whisk. Yeah, I like it. I'd park my bike right there. Cool. Lots of really neat artwork. Here's an astronaut with blue butterflies at, let's see, it's Donato's Pizza. I eat way too much pizza. Oh my gosh. I have heartburn like every single day, and I'm on medication for it. Chili's? You mean, like... Probably not. However, I really like that neon sign on the other side of it. I was gonna walk right past it, but you know what? This may be a good spot for lunch. And plus, look at the singing frogs on the roof. I guess I went with Mexican food, because, yeah, that won't hurt my heartburn or anything. No. Pretty quirky place, though, here. Look at that bar. Getting started with some chips and salsa here. Holy cow. Don't think you would like this, guys. Oh my god, it's delicious! That was sure filling, and I'm proud of myself. I didn't get any queso on my white hoodie portion. All right, let's go work off all these calories. We got a sign for Music Row. Yeah, we're gonna get our walk on today. And now we have the Musica Statue here in this roundabout. Sorry, there's a lot of penises in there. It is called Musica here in Nashville. That is an awful lot of nudity, guys, come on. We're in the Bible Belt here. Across the street from the Musica Statue over there is another neat statue here, a bronze grand piano with someone that I can't figure out who it is just yet. Having trouble. It is pretty cool looking, really good detail on the musical notes there on his piano, and it's in fantastic condition. The plaque just tells me that Gary Ernest Smith is the artist and the foundry is Metal Letters. But then there's a park sign that says Owen Bradley. It has to be Owen Bradley, right? You would think. So I'm going to say that we are looking at a bronze statue of Mr. Owen Bradley here. And it's in really good condition. And we're still in that same roundabout, but here at Tailgate Brewery, look at this ginormous old school microphone. In fact, the coil for the microphone is, yes, another bike rack. Pretty quirky and unique, and I love it. See, as I understand it, the city of Nashville is well known for musical artists because they could come in to Nashville and kind of sneak under the radar. Even if they were already really well-known artists, they could come to Nashville instead of going to Los Angeles or New York and record a whole album without anybody even knowing they were here. Of course, times have changed. Now Nashville is really super popular, and it's probably not uncommon to see, you know, artists that you know walking down these same streets all the time. But since I've been walking pretty much uphill since I started the day, there's got to be some downhill walking eventually, right? Starting to sweat with all these layers. Well, are you feeling festive enough yet? I think I'm gonna need a little more snow to really believe Christmas is coming. But how about these cute polar bears having a snowball fight? So he's throwing them, and his buddy down there is throwing them right back. That's pretty cool, guys. Enjoy your snow fight. Got a little farther down here. I'm actually parking down here by the water. This is the official start of Broadway Street here in Nashville. So, gonna go explore a little bit, see what we can find new here and quirky. All kinds of beautifully decorated buses here in Nashville for the tours and whatever. All sorts of colorful designs. And as we walk around the corner here, there's where it starts. There it is. Hey, Luke Combs. Oh my gosh, Luke Combs is playing tomorrow here in Nashville. He's my favorite country artist. It's like being in New York City, but it's country. Look at all those neon signs. It'll get busy tonight. Get colorful too. Here's Jason Aldean's Kitchen and Rooftop Bar. Ooh, a big guitar. My favorite, Jack Daniels. I mean, I do need a Nashville or Broadway magnet. It's not Zoltar, but Willie Nelson, Fortune. Let's find out what he has to say.
Hey there, this here's Willie Nelson.
Hey, Willie.
It must be your lucky day, because I have some words of wisdom for you.
Okay.
Listen up now. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. Yep, that's right. It's a whole lot better to say just a little bit of something positive than to say too much of the negative and wish you hadn't. You know what I'm saying? Stick around. I've got lots more to say to you.
All right, thanks, Willie. All right, Willie also says, I see a great deal of happiness in store for you. You will receive a letter soon, and that letter can easily be said to change the whole course of your life. A letter? All right, thanks, Willie. All right, for the magnet selection here. I didn't specifically see any magnets that I had to have, so I did get my Willie Nelson Fortune. We'll keep looking for magnets. It's not like there's not going to be any more down this road. It's like every bar is playing live music. All right, this is the Ernest Tubb Record Shop. A classic. All right, there's Ernest Tubbs. Ooh, they got Luke Combs gear here, too. Look at all this nostalgic Loretta Lynn. That's her dress she wore. There's Randy Travis. I'm getting me a Luke Combs shirt. I'm going to try to get to the concert, too. Craigslist. See, right now we've just been going up the one side of the road, the shady side. But we've still got the entire sunny side to go walk back around. And I'm not gonna come back tonight. It costs $2.50 an hour to park the motorcycle down here. So, and plus since I have the motorcycle, I can't drink. So it's kind of wow. We got Tootsie's there. We got Legends Gifts with Elvis right here. Hey King, you got any magnets in there? There might be magnets. Well, I heard from Willie. We got to hear what the King has to say, right?
Hey there, I'm the king of rock and roll, and I have some words of wisdom to bring you much happiness.
as you travel through this life. Remember this, if you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Go ahead, put in more coins and let the king tell you more. Jailhouse or chicken into Heartbreak Hotel? Come on and find out.
Thanks, Elvis. All right, the king says, you've been trying to figure out the best time to travel. You've wondered if a business trip or a vacation would be good. You may be wondering if travel is a better thing than to arrive. It is not that fit that everyone should travel. You change your sky, not your mind. Okay, thanks, Elvis. Ooh, look at all the Christmas decorations. Where's my sunglasses? It's definitely comparable to like Bourbon Street in New Orleans. Very much so. All right, Dirk Bentley's Whiskey Road. Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville.
Why are they making those stories up? And I'm over you. Well, they're gonna put me in the movies. Then I know you will plainly see raven hair, ruby lips, sparks fly from her fingertips.
All right, actually, I think I left my sunglasses on the motorcycle. Hopefully they're still there, and hopefully that's where they actually went. I did get a magnet. I'll show it to you when I get back to the RV. I don't want to stay out here too late because I do miss my kitty cat, and I feel bad about leaving him. So there we go. There is Broadway here in Nashville, Tennessee. There's the magnet I got. It's a bottle opener with a Nashville cowboy boot magnet. Right? So with that being said, I need to layer back up again. I'm gonna take the motorcycle back out, and I'm going to go meet with someone on Craigslist who is selling one ticket for the Luke Combs concert here in Nashville, Tennessee. And that's tomorrow. So, everyone have a good night. I will see you in a few days from Nashville again. Bye, guys.